today's Health Watch, symptoms of cancer are not always obvious.
Local 5's Connie Feldman shows us the secret signs of the disease.
About 1.9 million people will be diagnosed with cancer this year in the U.S. Cancer can crop up virtually anywhere in the body and cause a wide range of symptoms that can be obvious or more subtle. Here are some secret signs of cancer.
Cancer can affect anyone at any time, but spotting some of the less obvious symptoms early on may mean the difference between life and death.
I wasn't having trouble breathing, nothing like that. I would have never known.
Lung cancer. Many people don't know they have it until it's too late. One less known symptom, a chronic dry cough. Changes in your bathroom habits can also be a sign of various cancers, including colon, prostate, or bladder cancer. Watch for persistent constipation, diarrhea, black, bloody, or tarry stools, frequent urination, or blood in the urine. Excessive bruising could be an indicator that you have blood cancer. Bloating or feeling full can be a sign of ovarian cancer in women. And many women believe that you're not at risk for breast cancer if nobody in your family ever had it.
85% of our patients that are diagnosed with breast cancer do not have risk factors. They don't have family members with breast cancer. Breast cancers are sporadic.
Also, difficulty swallowing is sometimes a symptom of throat, lung, or stomach cancer, and frequent high fevers or infections could indicate lymphoma or leukemia. The bottom line, if something doesn't feel right, see your doctor. The earlier you can spot and treat cancer, the better the outcome.
Some more general signs of cancer that you shouldn't ignore are persistent fatigue, unexplained weight loss, or any pain that has no clear cause and doesn't go away. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Connie Feldman, Local 5 News.